Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is officially confirming that tourism revenues will hit a new high this year. Mr. Bartlett claims that the progress made since 2016 is more than tourism revenues collected over the last 4 decades.
We will end the year with $3.3 billion of earning, which will be a new benchmark for earnings in tourism in Jamaica.
The governments of Jamaica and Japan have agreed on a tax convention between the two countries. The convention clarifies the scope of taxation in the two countries, eliminating international double taxation, and prevents tax evasion and avoidance. It is also expected to promote further mutual investments and economic exchanges between Jamaica and Japan. Currency trading ended today with the greenback selling for $128.80. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.39. The pound closed the day at $161.34, while the euro is going for $151.36. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in January went down by 32 cents to settle at $45.88 a barrel. The GSE index gained 106 points today, while the junior market index went up by 66 points. Among the winners today, Access Financial Services, Burrito Investments, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, Indies Pharma, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the losing side were Cargo Handlers, Express Catering, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, Main Event Entertainment Group, Panjam Investment, and Sagicor Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.